Hey, what's up, social media? Ben here, coming at you with another review of a thing in a box. Today, we're going back to my roots of maybe 3 weeks ago and reviewing an anime game special edition release. Today, we're revisiting Growlanser. Today, we're going for a Growlanser Heritage of War special edition, released by Atlus for the PlayStation 2. Very cool stuff. With how awesome Growlanser Generations was, I can't even imagine how sweet this one's gonna be. Like you got all sorts of cool anime characters with the cool anime designs and everything. So yeah, if you were a fan, it's not sealed. Not trying to front, but when I got it, it still had the cellophane, so I wasn't gonna get rid of it. Protection, protection right there, protection. Always use protection, guys. Uh, you know, you gotta be safe out here. But yeah, so we're gonna look at what's in the box and all sorts of stuff. I'm very excited about this one. I've had it ever since I had the first Growlanser. So, yeah, let's get into this box. So here we got Growlanser Heritage of War Special Edition coming at you. It's actually the limited edition, but who's reading? Who reads? So, like I did in the last one, because Growlanser has such good special editions, I'm going to hide the goodies part. But here, we got the Legendary Series returns. See the brewing of storm, of war from multiple viewpoints and generations, each of them pursuing their own ideas of true peace. That's sweet. That's sweet, because that's what warring nations do. They usually think they're both the good guys. That's sweet. Very deep, very realistic view on war. Forge relationships and strengthen them. Fast-paced strategy battle against the encroaching Screeper menace. Who will be the one to receive your pledge of eternal friendship. What's cool about these Growlanser games, they tend to go through, as they were saying, generations of people. So you'll get to know the fan, whatever, No lie. No lie. Almost revealed the goodies too soon. All sorts of stuff. What I always like about Growlanser is how beautiful the character design is. Like, that man's is beautiful, that nerd girl is beautiful, that angel is beautiful, that girl is beautiful. Everyone can be beautiful. There's all sorts of extras that I almost revealed the word version of a spoiler. So, yeah. Let's see. What exactly is in this crazy good shaped box? Oh man. Let's move it back some. Cause I'm gonna set some stuff out in front of us, I'm sure. Oh man. What? Wow. Talk about mysterious. I'm not even gonna say this is the last thing we'll open, but last time I had a mysterious brown box, it had a flipping watch inside of it. Like the kind of watch you get at a retirement party. So we'll set that aside for now. Here, innovation, JK. but probably smart packaging, you know. Kept stuff from getting damaged while being shipped overseas. Then here looks like we got the illustrated archives. You know, the actual, wow, there's all sorts of little things that make you think the box might be empty. Yeah, I'll leave that stuff in there a second. I'm always real down for the illustrated archives before everything else. So let's take a look at this bad boy. You know, me clomping around. You know, illustrated archive. Even his pants are beautiful. Trying to be all shiny. You know. All these people being so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Nerd girl got it going on with the beauteousness. Wow. The sense of justice, the dual darkness, the heritage of war. Who is she? I'm guessing it's a girl, just because that saying is funnier as a girl. Oh, it's like a genuine, like, pre-conceptual art book. Like, that's so sick. Like, actual sketches. This dude with the armor, with the pants, with the abs. And I think they went with that one on the bottom right, wouldn't you say? Wouldn't you say, based on the last picture? Alright, Hashtun. You know, sometimes you have a chin, sometimes you don't. We already know what he has. Corrin, ooh. Ooh, all you Fire Emblem people. Corrin get copied by these people? Or did these people get copied by Corrin? I'd say it, only the name. Oh, very cool. Reminds me of a Sailor Moon character. Wow, very cool. It's like, oh, who's that guy? With all the Marilyn Monroes of different colors. It's like one of them artses. You know. Corrin has a lot of different costumes, but they all use their standard outfit as a base. The reason there are many ways to dress her up is so that she can appeal to anyone, no matter what their tastes. Wow. Oh, ended up being a he. Krios. Wow. Such a sick looking pirate boy. The pirate boy with the pirate boy shoes that really aren't pirate boy shoes. Is he a jester with the stirrups? Is he a cowboy jester pirate boy? I wonder if every time he got a new outfit, he was allowed to keep one thing from his old outfit. And he always kept the shoes going. That's sort of sick. Arr. It almost goes without saying that Krios' design concept was a pirate. His style is a little over the top. He doesn't get lost while staring at the screen. Wow. Wow. Just take in all of Melvina. Oh, man. She looks sick. She looks like Ezio, if Ezio was a cool looking character that didn't get used too much. Wow. Wow. They should make Ezio a girl in one of these. Just straight up. copyright infringe the heck out of this girl. Like, wow. Fanville. Oh, Vanille. Vanilli. I'm a fan. And, but I will say, she doesn't make me ill. But yeah, I'm a fan. I like a girl who could rock some loose pants. Oh, she looks sick. I'm gonna probably say that about every character in this game. Alright, Randall. Wow. Is this why rappers dress the way they do now? Because they were all fans of Growlanser? Jeez, man. Alright, Randall. Dang. Talk about fly. Dang, Randall. Although Randall is an archaeologist, he's an archaeologist? Oh my gosh, Randall. Wow. Gotta make sure I'm not creasing the spine in excitement. Goodness. Alright, I didn't do that crease. That was a shipping crease. For sure. Shearus with the fans. Alright, Shearus. Wow, this concept art is sick. Rufus? These names are unbelievable. It's like, oh, how cool can we make a character? And how sick can we make the character's name? Oh my god. Wow. Rufus is nice. Rufus got the rope, man. Rufus, all you need to do is tie people up, and I'm sure they'll be happy with you. Alright. Sheldus. You know, gotta have one for the ones who like the silver foxes or what have you. Isaac. He's pretty cool. Probably the most generic anime guy so far, honestly. But still pretty cool. Vanette. I'm glad they keep the game a little grounded with a nice normal looking girl. Very cool. Gotta get one in there for everybody. Alessa, she looks like she's part of the future for sure. But like, you know, she's actually from the past. I'm gonna have to see when this game was released. This game is a 2007 Atlus release. Not even, wow, JK, 11 years ago. And that was just when it came out in America. Wow. She has a crossbow and a water gun. Rock Bean. Wow. He looks like he's about to punch some stuff. Gotta have a brawler. Amy. Looks generic, but check out that baton with the Morning Star. Wow, I like how they gave her back its own little spot to shine. They must have really liked her back. Yeah, with the sparkly shininess, you know. They thought she was beautiful too. Wow, Garrick. Garrick looks cool. Garrick, I'll give him that. There's actually like so many characters. My brain's kind of on overload of coolness. Garrick. Alright, vote right now in the comments. Is Garrick cooler or is Zeke Walt cooler? My vote's for Garrick. Because he's got all sorts of ribbons and stuff with the big axe. And all that Zeke Walt has is a, standing there in a gray thing. What else? Romina. She's cool with how she's standing. Wow, I'm liking the mysterious girl. Really liking this. Really liking the sad clown aesthetic. If you didn't know, big fan of sad clowns. Big fan of sad clowns. Maybe jesters more so than clowns. Alright, back cheddar, Bacter, Pernagi, Futon dogs. Futon dogs are just dogs chilling with food. Get me out of town, because I'm about to go on. Vitorio. Wall gainer. Nice jacket though. Lily cool. She a butterfly, you know. Wow. Nina? Are you Dragonfly? Dang, you're not telling me Mira's a Lunama. Dang. Nora? What is Nora? I'm going with straight up fairy. I'm an Eagle Scout. I should really know these bugs, but I don't. So I'm going with just fairy original design. Over here, I'm going with the butterfly again. Wow, with the bug girls. Very impressed. Not just Lily. Wow. The designs for all the illustrations for the games. Wow. They really got a lot of art. They really got a lot of animal enemy people. With the monsters. With the robots. Wow. Wow. With the battleships maybe? With the riding thing? Oh my god, this... Locations? Wow. Some real beauteous locations. Wow. What the heck is that? There's a bunch of Japanese words surrounding it. Because it's originally a Japanese game. I bet that's Japanese concept words. Man, that looks like quite a fortress. Quite a city fortress in the sky. Wow. I'm real excited about this one. Wow. Growlanser for the ominous section. Ooh. Ooh wee. All you anime fans. Here's something to be a fan of. Wow. Right when I said that, they go straight to the fan service, making me look like too much. But, whatever. I'll give you guys the close-up. I don't know if this is what you want to see. But it's, cool with me. Julia Douglas. Alright, Julia. Alright, Oscar Reeves, I mean. Elio, Chamomile, Falla's Meyer. No, I'm just mispronouncing names. Just saying. Some sort of blind swordsman looking aesthetic. Very cool with me. Wow. Are these all the people we saw in their undergarments? Wow. Tippy. What's up, Tippy? Trying to be all like cute. What kind of game is this trying to be? I thought this was some serious anime war simulator. Did they just have a bunch? Oh my goodness. Wow. Going all the way to Growlanser Generations here. We got the cover art right there. Wow. This art book really has it all. Wow. That's my favorite from the first one. Miss Riviera. Marius. Wow. Dang, this art cool's enough to hangs on your walls. Well, this, we already know. That was the soundtrack art cover. Slain Wilder. Slain Wilder. Wild. Annette Burns. Xeon. Xeon looked pretty cool. Wow. This art book just goes on and on. Oh my gosh. And on. Wow. Well, skip some pages. But yeah, we got Vester. This dude right here. He looks like he's ready to become a warrior. Or he's already a warrior. She looks like a warrior too with the robot hands. She looks like she's one for the fans. She looks like another one for the fans. Oh, you didn't know. That's one of the alternate discards for the Growlanser Generations. Right there. Just that little girl. She looks like Harley Quinn. All sorts of the beauteousness. All sorts of the beauteousness. With the old man's in the middle. What am I saying? Old mans are beautifuls. All sorts of beauteousness. That was quite a book. Quite a book. And there's the back for y'all. Very cool. Holy moly. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got you some pins. Oh, thank goodness they got the futon dog. I might have to open these gents now. They got, you know, Butterfly Girl, number 1. I mean 4. And then they got, wow, Dragon Girl or something. Very sick that they have all these pins. Very happy with all these pins. Very happy, especially with Futon Dog. Let's be real. Futon Dog, way better than any anime chick I showed you today. Wow. They already knew, too. We got this. We got this. Wow. Not a bad 3D hologram card. Oh my god. Eventually, I gotta show you some of my anime cards. And this actually tops a lot of the ones released just as cards. Wow. Very sick. No information on the back though, so it's okay. That'll still be interesting. We got us in another hidden 3D anime card. Holy crud. This one's even better, and I think you know why. Because I didn't notice it at first. The second one I saw coming. But look at this 3D effect. Like, blown away. Blown away. Still no info on the back though, so whatever. If there's another anime card in this DVD, okay. So this is the media disc. I like the sad clown aesthetic. Teardrops all the way. DVD. Oh man. Oh man. And then, you know, we'll save the little black box for in a second. So here we got, you know, cover art on the disc. Very cool. Very cool disc art. Don't know if there are variances to this one. This is not a Working Designs release. This is just an Atlus release. So it very well doesn't have, it very well could not have variances on the discs. Let's get a look at the back of the box. That's pretty nice. I really like the bug women in this game. Growlanser Generations. Very cool. They knew the bug women were sick. Back of the manual even got bug women. But yeah. Wow. Black and white manual in 2007. What is going on right now? At least they had that sick art book. Yeah, prologue, world. Yeah. All these characters we just took an in-depth color look at. Oh, and you know, if you're colorblind, you might like both. I don't know, but you know, not saying anything rude there. But black and white's cool too, I suppose. But that art book was sick. What can I say? Yeah. Sorry I made a joke at the expense of colorblind people. Redacted immediately. There we go. Donut. Wow, very fancy piece of paper. Well, alright. At least this is a high quality keychain. That's all I got to say. Like, very high quality keychain. Not quite as luxurious as the Growlanser watch. At the same time, released in Japan, but the keychain was made in China. Interesting. Parted together from all over Asia. We have the one and only Growlanser Heritage of War. If you didn't know, that's I believe a fleur-de-lis. Yeah, you know, because I'm an Eagle Scout, I know things like that. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. Pretty darn cool. I have to give it to Atlus on that one. Got to give it to Atlus for not being, you know, the pinnacle of awesome special editions like, you know, Working Designs. This was sick. I hope you enjoyed today's review of Growlanser Heritage of War for the PlayStation DOS. You know, very cool stuff, very interesting stuff. You know. So, as always, if you like what you saw, remember to like and subscribe. But if you don't, you know, at least you gave me a chance, so thank you. And remember, as always, have a great rest of your day.